Attention pet owners, homeowners, and allergy sufferers. Why your vacuum may really suck, but doesn't really clean. Recently, I was watching an employee at a large retail chain store vacuum the rug at the entry area. I distinctly remember them going over the same spot dozens of times, trying to pick up the same small debris that was still there, which any decent vacuum should have picked up right away. Finally, clearly frustrated, they bent over and picked up the debris by hand. They then proceeded on to the next section, repeating the same process ad nauseum. I think you get the idea. This is what a lot of people's vacuums do, or worse. They boast really high suction, but either can't even pick up the surface debris, or they just end up grinding it into the carpet. Hey, out of sight, out of mind, right? But that's not really cleaning the carpet, is it? And that's not what you're spending money on a vacuum for it to do for you. The problem is that suction alone doesn't clean. A tornado doesn't suck things up because it has such high suctioning power. A tornado picks things up because it has really high CFM, or cubic feet per minute. In other words, it has really high airflow. Or more simply put, it moves a lot of air really, really fast. And this is exactly what you want a vacuum to do. And it just so happens that this is exactly what we're looking for when we choose a vacuum to sell. Our mainline brand, Riccar, builds vacuums that are known for their powerful vortex-like airflow. Riccar never leaves you taking pass after pass, working harder than your vacuum, trying to get it to do the very thing you purchased it for in the first place, to remove dirt. But more about that in a moment. Are you tired of pet hair removal being such a chore? Want to know the secret to taking the work out of vacuuming? Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a HEPA filter and a HEPA vacuum? Or did you even know there's a difference? Have you ever wanted a really great vacuum that works really well and lasts for years, but thought it was just out of reach? I'm going to answer all these questions and more. But first, allow me to let you in on our little best-kept secret. We wanted to publicly advertise this, but our vacuum sale ad was rejected by Riccar. Now you may ask why. Quite simply, our prices are too low, and we could not advertise in the paper as planned, so we did the next best thing. I thought you might be interested in this opportunity to get one of the best quality vacuums made at a great price. So I'm making this video for our best customers, including you. Every 5 years or so, Riccar recreates their entire line of vacuums. Because we are so close to Riccar's headquarters, right here in the Midwest, we were able to purchase all of their 2017 leftover vacuums at a steep discount, and we are going to pass the savings along to you. Make sure you mention this video for the best price. These are all new Riccar vacuums. It would be no different than buying a new 2017 car. There will be no problem getting new replacement parts if ever needed, and they all come with a full Riccar factory warranty up to 8 years. You will just pay less. Come into A-Best Sew & Back after 12 noon on Thursday, March 1st, and before 12 noon on Saturday, March 3rd, to take advantage of these great prices. Have you ever wanted a really great vacuum that works really well and lasts for years, but thought it was just out of reach? Riccar vacuums are designed to last 20 years under normal household use, and they are made so well you can really feel the power. Riccar has mastered the art of not only airflow, but another crucial aspect of efficient vacuum cleaning. Agitation is crucial to loosen dirt and bring it up to the surface so that the powerful airflow can lift it, removing debris that's trapped in your carpet to the bag where it belongs. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a HEPA filter and a HEPA vacuum? Lots of vacuums say they have a HEPA filter that traps dust. But anyone can slap a HEPA filter in their vacuum and call it quote-unquote HEPA. What they don't tell you is that it isn't sealed HEPA filtration. All that dust can simply leak out around the filter and right back into the air. A HEPA filter in a vacuum that isn't sealed is about as useless as sticking a paper towel in its place. Riccar is one of the few companies that manufacture a true sealed HEPA vacuum. What that means to you is the air coming out of a Riccar vacuum has 0 particles of 0.3 microns, which is the size of allergens. And put more simply, the air in your home is cleaner with a Riccar vacuum, and it's allergy-free. Riccar vacuums feature unsurpassed, powerful tandem air cleaning technology. They're made right here in the United States. Their lightweight models come in at under 10 pounds. They have pet models that make quick work of pet hair, and they're allergy-friendly. They have sealed HEPA filtration technology that actually cleans the air as you vacuum, and they're easy to use. Did I mention the long warranties, up to 8 years? Riccar is known for creating the most powerful vacuums. It's been said that they're obsessive about cleaning, concentrating on deep carpet cleaning, pet hair removal, easy-to-use tools, strong suction, and long life has put Riccar at the forefront of top-tier vacuum manufacturers. Most recently, they have used their expertise to craft the first truly cordless vacuum that is designed to deep clean and vacuum miles of carpet or bare floors on just a single charge. And this is the key to taking the work out of vacuuming. You need a vacuum that really works so you don't have to. A good vacuum like Riccar, which combines powerful agitation with strong airflow and a sealed HEPA filtration design, is exactly what it takes to really clean that pet hair in 1 or 2 passes. No more running the vacuum over the same spot again and again till the pet hair finally disappears, usually just being ground into the carpet where you can't see it anymore, creating the illusion that it's gone instead of actually cleaning it up and getting it into the bag. After the video, I'd encourage you to go to Riccar.com for more information on these amazing vacuums. Remember, the special pricing we can't even advertise is only available when you come into A-Best Sew & Vac after 12 noon on Thursday, March 1st, and before 12 noon on Saturday, March 3rd. Riccar will not allow us to advertise the prices or great offers that we are going to have on these machines. This is an exclusive offer to our customers via this video. And if this hasn't convinced you that these are the best prices you will ever have an opportunity to get a Riccar vacuum at, let me remind you of 2 important A-Best exclusive guarantees that will greatly benefit you. You are completely backed by our risk-free 31-day satisfaction guarantee and our ironclad 91-day apples-to-apples best price guarantee. We're so sure you will love your new purchase from A-Best that we want to give you a risk-free 31-day guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you your money back. If you don't love it, you don't keep it. It's as simple as that. I promise to give you a full refund. That's our A-Best exclusive, risk-free 31-day satisfaction guarantee. Our clients always get the best deal, and we guarantee it. Here's how we do that. We're so sure we are giving you the very best value on your purchase from A-Best that we will give you a 91-day 110% low price guarantee. If you find a better apples-to-apples deal, we will give you back 110% of the difference on the spot. That's our A-Best exclusive ironclad 91-day apples-to-apples best price guarantee. P.S. If you're tired of filling up landfills with disposable vacuums, now is the time to have cleaner air in your home and a great quality Riccar vacuum for less than ever before. Come into A-Best Sew & Vac after 12 noon on Thursday, March 1st, and before 12 noon on Saturday, March 3rd. We're located at 1201 East Main Street in Albert Lea, Minnesota. We're right on the corner of Garfield and Main, directly across from Quick Trip. And if you need directions or have questions, please don't hesitate to call 507-377-8244. Again, that number is 507-377-8244. Hey, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you later this week.